to a Beauty Ninjas Mask Monday. So we're using this mask here from Estfolio, and it is a Yuja and Niacinamide Essence mask with lemon. No, this is with pear. Okay. Still smells like glue. So let's get this on. I'll be right back. That's cool. So I'm filming in the living room because I'm fixing to plant myself here. I'm sick and I don't know what it is. All I know is that my lymph nodes hurt, my bones hurt. Nothing with the respiratory or anything. Just hurting, and I don't understand why. So, but life goes on. So, we're gonna start with some empties. Okay, so I got 3 waxes. 2 of them are repeats, and they will be. I'll buy them again, and that is from Sensational Cucumber Melon. It smells really good. And they're Home and Gardens, which they call themselves BHG now. Shorten it up, I guess, to save money on the letters. No, I'm just kidding. But this was the lemon and basil one, and that one's really good too. Smells like a cake. This one I will not buy again. I bought it as a repurchased it again in the hopes that it would be okay. What is my dog eating? Hey, you stop that shit. Anyways, this is lame. It doesn't smell strong at all. Like, it's just, you can smell it, but it's not like you walk in a room and it's like, oh, it smells good in your house. No. So the Yankee Candle, which is the most expensive, is the one I'm not getting anymore. So the other empty I have is, this is BB cream, super wearing, last thing no makeup. So this is weirdly printed. Last thing no makeup. Super wearing instead of super wear. I don't get it. This is what it looks like, and it's not been used a lot. Janelle from J Girl Beauty, she gave this to me. This is very, very strong. I was thinking about using it as a concealer because I'm kind of out. But it's kind of, it doesn't dry down. It just sits there, and when you move it, it just smears. So that's something I definitely cannot use. And I can't even use it as like an eye primer, because if I put on something that moves eyeshadow on it, it's going to be patchy. All I need to do is sweat or get just, yeah. So anyways, yeah. That little bit did all that. Jessica. Okay. So, I went with a friend to go help pick up a wheelchair for someone. So we had to drive a long ways. And we picked it up at a thrift store. And in the thrift store they had this. That's my last name. Bird's Famous Cookies since 1924. So I'm going to get rid of this 24 and put a 75 there. And yeah, I think it's super, super cool. Because that's exactly how you spell my last name, Bird. So that was cool. And okay, now for the unboxing. Oh, and Buc-ee's just opened up where we live. And I've never been to a Buc-ee's. But they opened early just for first responders. And had like an opening just for them. And they gave us a whole bunch of stuff. My friend's brother is in service with the police, so he went. So they went together, and he brought home a lot of pulled pork sandwiches and Rice Krispie salted caramel, which I'm fixing to devour. Look at this, is a chunk right here. Look at the caramel all over it. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. I got my Crime of the Month Ice Cream Beauty bag. So I don't get Ice Cream Beauty anymore because I couldn't afford it. But they popped up with, oh, here's for, $6.99. a chrome bag, chrome of the month bag, where you get at least 3 chromes. I didn't get any like piece of paper or something in the bag that tells me from who they are, but I think it says it on the things. Let me see. So it comes, I got 3. They're in here in this little bag. I saved these because I like to put my pickle seasonings in there and then put them in the cucumber jar, instead of having the seasonings all sit at the bottom and at the end you're like, you're eating a bunch of seasoning. So this is, see, I don't know who it's from. Okay, but we're gonna swatch these. There's this orange, it's supposed to be a chrome. It looks just like a shimmer to me, but we'll see. And then here's this purple. It looks like a foil. It does have a bit of a pink in it, but it is a purple. Okay, let me see if I can do that orange right there. Nope, the orange looks like an orange. Okay, so, and then here's this white one. It has somewhat of a green, pink, and purple shift. Ooh, okay, so let's swatch these. Ooh! Alright, I'll open them up, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with this. Oh, nice. This is powder, so I can easily like pack it on with some glitter glue. Be really nice. So let's check the purple. That wasn't a great swatch. I wonder if it's just as messy. Oh, this one came in pretty easy. Okay, so I don't know, but if you don't have glitter glue, this ain't gonna work for you. Yep. So let's watch it on this hand where I had this alright, it shows a little bit there. It is very iridescent. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try the orange now. Okay. Shit. If I could keep them closed, it's easier if I put them open. Here's this one. Shit. Excuse my language. Okay, here we go. Now this is definitely meant to pack on. It is very, very fine. So there's the orange, which is, to me, with the purple, the best one. So we're going to try that white on the hand again, too, just to give it a better chance. Does this mean I need to keep that? See? That BB cream? It does. Okay, let's get that white one out again. Oh my god, I do not want this shit falling anywhere. It's going to be a disaster. And there's the white. The white looks almost like purple. They almost kind of all look the same. But anyways, I think they're pretty. I'll play with them and then I'll make my decision if I'm going to keep them or not. I probably will, because I collect chromes and I'm a little hoe. I have to play around with them a few times and then I'll know. But I think I'm just going to keep this just for the shit of it. I don't know. I think I'm going to try it one more time. But anyways, y'all can follow the Beauty Ninjas down in the description box. And I'm going to plant my ass for the day. And I'll see y'all in the next one.